Hey, and welcome to Robin's house. Today I'm working on the Memories in Bloom scrapbooking workshop, and one of the features we have in there is paper tearing. And you can see on this one, we're using the two-tone cardstock with the white core. So you can see that there's a little bit of white touching in on there. But we also used it on the Darling Duckling, and there's a lot of white showing there. So what that means is there are two ways to tear. And my favorite way is I've got the dark side up. I almost always use the dark side, but the light side has its uses. So anyway, I have the side that I'm going to use facing up, and then I tear up. When I tear up, it creates that white core stripe of white in there, and it looks so pretty. But in this layout, they actually want us to use it the other way. So there are two ways you can do that. You can have the side you want up and then tear down instead, but you might find it difficult to tear going away that's not normal for you. So an alternative that you can do is make sure that you put the paper, the side you don't want, the lighter side, and then you can tear that side up. And it doesn't always turn out right. But when you turn it over, then you'll have it on the correct side that you want. So it just be cautious and maybe start slow. So if something goes wrong, you can change tactics really quick before you ruin the whole project. So actually, it's not that easy. It's not that difficult to tear down, is it? So anyway, that is tearing in a nutshell. Thank you so much for watching. Happy crafting.